In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw an application from Accenture. Now, you might be wondering how exactly you can withdraw your application from Accenture. First, go to the Accenture job website. Once there, search for the job you have applied for. When you find it, click on the Apply Now button. Trust me, go ahead and click it, even if you have already applied. On the next page, click on View My Applications. Since you have applied for a job, this session will list all your applications. Scroll down until you see the My Application section. On the right side, you will see an action menu represented by a three-dot icon. Click on that button. You will then be given a couple of options: View Application or Withdraw Application. Select Withdraw Application. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm if you want to withdraw your application for that specific job. Just click on Withdraw to proceed. Once that is done, your application will officially be withdrawn from Accenture. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.